Dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing fine. Today I have come up with a simple question and we are supposed to find the time period and frequency of a simple pendulum whose uh, length is given as 1 meter. So we write the data as given. The length of the simple pendulum is 1 meter. Time period, that is the time required to complete one vibration, we are asked to find out. Also, we know the value of G is 10 meter per second square at Earth. Apart from time period, we are also supposed to find out the frequency of the simple pendulum. That is, the frequency is the number of vibrations completed in 1 second. So we know the formula for the time period of the simple pendulum is T is equals to 2 pi square root L over G. It means the time period of the simple pendulum depends on two quantities, that is length of the pendulum and the gravitational acceleration. And time period is directly proportional to the length. It means it will take more time if the length is increased, or T is directly proportional to L, and if the value of G is decreased, the time period will increase. So by substituting the values, T is equals to 2 pi, value is 22 over 7, that is 3.14, square root, the length of the pendulum is 1 meter, divided by the value of the G is 10 meter per second square. So meter cancels out with this value, so this becomes time period is equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 times 0.1, 1 over 10 is 0.1, and the second raised to the power minus 2 is in the denominator. By taking it to the numerator, it becomes second raised to the power plus 2. Time period is equals to 6.28 times the square root of 0.1 is 0.316, and this square cancels out with the half value of the square root and it becomes second. So multiplying these two values, 6.28 and 0.316, this becomes 1.99 second. So almost it completes one vibration in around 2 seconds. You can say nearly 2 seconds. Next thing, we are supposed to find the frequency, and we know that frequency and time period are inverse to each other. We can write the formula as frequency is equals to 1 over t. By putting the value of time period, f is equals to 1 over, what's the value of t? 1.99 second. This becomes around 0.5, that is half the second inverse, which is hertz, 0.5 hertz. So the frequency of the simple pendulum comes out to be 0.5 hertz. It means, as you know by the definition of the frequency, that it is that the number of vibrations in 1 second. So by 0.5 hertz means that in 1 second the simple pendulum completes half vibration. Hope you have learned something. If you think that the content is likable and shareable, please share it to on your other social media networks and like my channel. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. Bye.